This is my math practice worksheets packet, and I'm going to show you all the directions for Unit 2 multiplication and division relationships post-assessment. This is solo work, so I'm not going to give you any free answers here, but I will show you the directions really clearly, okay? And because this is solo work, I'm going to ask that you not get any help from anyone in your family, okay? Problem number 1. Sketch and label rectangles below to show all the factors of 16. Think about if you had 16 squares, how many different ways could you make 16? So a way you can show it, well, you can use a highlighter like me or a pencil, but let me just show you one example. I know one way to make 16 is to make 4 rows of 2. Oops. Sorry, I meant to say 2 rows of 8. I said that wrong. There you go. So that's one way to make 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You're going to make all the other ways to make 16. And then you're going to record all the factors of 16 on the line below. When you record all the factors, just list them as a list, and you can just put commas in between them. I usually like to go lowest factor to highest factor. And remember, we did that rainbow check in between to make sure that each one had a pair. Problem number 3. Jada and Willie went to the bookstore with their dad. Together, they bought 6 books that each cost $8. How much money did they spend altogether? Show your work using labeled sketches, numbers, and/or words. So just show your work, however you like. Jada and Willie spent blank altogether. You fill in that blank. Okay, then on the back side, problem number 4. Choose one. This number is in bold and underlined to remind you only do one of these multiplication problems. You don't have to do all 4. Find the answer to the problem you chose. Show your work below using labeled sketches, numbers, and/or words. You don't have to do all 3 of those. Just pick one way to show your work. Choose one, not all, one of these problems. Find the answer to the problem you chose. Show your work below using labeled sketches, numbers, and/or words. Just show your work. And then finally, number 6, solve the following problem. Show your work using numbers, labeled sketches, and/or words. So you're going to solve what is 54 divided by 3, and you can solve that however you like.